what is rhetoric and what is rhetorical analysis? Now, you've probably done a rhetorical analysis in the past for other classes, but basically when we're looking at rhetoric, we're looking at how an author persuades his or her audience, right? And whether or not that person does a good job of it. Now, we have some different things that we look at. We look at ethos, pathos, logos, which, again, a lot of you probably have heard in the past. But we have some other aspects of rhetoric that we can also look at to gauge effectiveness of an argument. And then we can also integrate into our own writing so that we have the more effective argument and that our argument really works well to convince our reader. Right, so take a look through the upcoming slides. I do have another short video for you that talks specifically about writing a rhetorical analysis that I want you to watch. Right, and also make sure that you're reading through the information in your textbook that really does highlight and expand upon some of the information that you'll see here.